Chapter 8. Introduction to Scratch. Introduction. You already know that the computer works upon instructions. But have you ever wondered how we can provide instructions to the computer? We humans use languages such as Hindi and English to communicate with each other. Similarly, to communicate or provide instructions, we need languages that the computer can understand. These languages are called computer languages. The act of writing instructions with the help of a programming language is called coding. In this chapter, you will learn about Scratch, a visual-based, block-based coding platform that provides a fun way to learn coding. Let us learn more about Scratch in the following section. Scratch is a fun block-based coding platform where you can just drag and drop the colorful blocks and snap them together to create programs, stories, games and animation, just like how you build things with Lego blocks. Besides, you can also share your creations with your friends and explore more projects made by students all over the world. Getting started with Scratch. Scratch is free, open source software. You can easily download it from its official site. To download the Scratch, follow the steps given below. 1. Open the web browser and type the address link in the address bar. The following window will appear. 2. Select your OS. For example, if you are using Windows 10 or above. Click on the direct download to download it from the site only. Alternatively, you can also get it from Microsoft Store. 3. Run the X file. The Scratch will be installed. Now, click on the Start menu and select Scratch 3.0 from the list of programs. Components of Scratch window. Stage. It is the place where sprites are displayed and made to interact to create stories, animations and games. Blocks. This area contains 9 categories of color-coded blocks. Blocks palette. A collection of colorful blocks representing different commands and functions that you can use to create scripts. You can drag blocks from here into the code area to build your scripts. Coding area. It is the place where you create your programs by dragging blocks here from the blocks palette. Scripts. Scripts are the instructions given to the sprite in the form of a stack of blocks. Sprite. It is a small character that performs all actions in the Scratch. There are many sprites present in Scratch, but cat is the default sprite. Sprite info pane. This area displays the information on the sprites along with properties, which you can modify as per the requirement. Tabs. They're like sections that let you manage the current sprite. Code tab. The Code tab shows any existing scripts for the sprite and helps you create new ones. Costumes tab. The Costumes tab is where you can create, edit, or duplicate the sprite's image. Sound tab. The Sounds tab displays the sounds associated with the current sprite. Green flag. The green flag is used to run your main program. Stop button. The stop button is used to stop your running program. Choose a sprite. By using this button, you can choose a new sprite from the library, paint it, upload it from a file, or get it from the camera. Choose a backdrop. By using this button, you can choose a new backdrop of the program from library. Add extension. This button lets you access a number of other block types like pen or music blocks. Scratch blocks. there are 9 color-coded block categories. Let us learn about each of them. Motion. These blocks control the movement of sprites, such as changing directions and speed. Looks. These blocks change the appearance of the sprite by changing their costumes and sizes. Sound. These blocks are used to add sound to the program and are used to control volume of the sound. Events. These blocks trigger the scripts based on certain events, such as when the green flag is clicked. Control. These blocks control the execution of the script based on certain conditions. Sensing. These blocks let the sprites sense and respond to the environment. Operators. These blocks contain operators for mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and comparison. Variables. These blocks are used to create variables for storing and retrieving data such as name, values, etc. My blocks. These blocks let users create their custom blocks. Adding a sprite. There are 4 ways to add sprite to the stage. Let us learn about each of them. Choosing the sprite from the library. Scratch contains a library of sprites that users can choose from and add to the project. To add a sprite from the library, follow these steps. 1. Click the Choose a Sprite button in the Sprite List panel. 2. This opens a library containing a variety of sprites categorized by themes such as animals, people, and objects. 3. Click on the desired sprite to add it to the stage. Paint your sprite. You can also create your own sprite using the Paint option. The steps are: 1. Click on the Paint option from the set of options. 2. The Costumes tab appears. Draw your sprite using the tools of the drawing toolbar. 3. The new sprite will be added on the stage with the name Sprite2 and will also appear in the sprites list. 4. You can also see the information about sprite and modify it, such as the name of the sprite, size, direction, and position using the info pane. Surprise sprite. As the name suggests, you can let the Scratch select the sprite for you using this option. 1. To do the same, simply click on the Surprise option. Upload sprite. Scratch enables you to upload your own sprite. Follow the steps given below to upload the sprite. 1. Click on the Upload Sprite option. It will open the Open dialog box. Select your image and it will be listed in the sprite list. Choosing the backdrop. Similar to adding a sprite to the stage in 4 different ways, you can also change the backdrop using 4 sets of options. 1. Choose a backdrop. 2. Paint a backdrop. 3. Surprise backdrop. 4. Upload backdrop. Creating a program using Scratch blocks. Now, let us create a program in Scratch by using the above blocks. Let us begin with Events blocks. 1. Click on the Events block from the side panel. The blocks related to the Events blocks will be displayed in the Blocks palette. 2. Now, select from the side panel and drag it to the stage. 3. Afterwards, click on the motion blocks in the side panel. The blocks associated with motion will then appear in the Blocks palette. 4. Drag from the Blocks palette to the stage and set its value to 50. This will make the sprite move 50 steps. 5. Now, click on Looks blocks. select from the blocks palette and drag it to the stage. 6. Click on the green flag and observe the result. You will see that every time you click on the green flag, it will make the sprite move forward 50 steps and change its costume, which makes the sprite appear walking. Using repeat block. Now, we will be using control blocks to control the flow and timing of the scripts. To use the control blocks, follow the steps given below. 6. Click on the control blocks from the side panel, select from the blocks palette and drag it to the stage. 7. Now, snap it under block and place an block inside it as shown below. This repeat block will execute the move, block and the next costume block 10 times. Click on the green flag now and watch what happens. You'll observe the sprite moving 50 steps a total of 10 times, but all at a rapid pace. Now, we are required to control the speed of the sprite. So, we will be using block from the control blocks and place it inside the repeat block and set its value to 0.5. Saving project. To save the project, follow the steps given below. 1. Click on the file, save to your computer. 2. It will open the Save As box. Type the name of the project and click on the Save button. The file extension of Scratch programs is .sb3. To open saved project. To open the saved project, follow the steps given below. 1. Click on the file, load from your computer. 2. It will open the open box. Locate the project and click on the open button to load in the Scratch.